2013 Kia Sportage EX. The size of the engine is 2.4. The owner of this car, she complains about her brakes. It shakes. I already replaced the driver's side, both the rotors and the brake pads. Okay, let's begin. We have the tools right here. My impact gun. So we have 14 millimeters and 17 millimeters, as well as we have the ceramic brake and brand new rotor. So first of all, we need to remove the caliper, and we have the 14 millimeter. Okay. Other one too. We need to hang the caliper so that we can damage the hose. Next, we will remove the bolt for the caliper bracket. We have 17 millimeter. Okay. And down. Okay, we will remove now the rotor. I have an impact screwdriver here. Okay. Then let's hammer it. There we go. Another one. Next one. Okay. The screw. The old rotor. Now we will put the new rotor from Rock Auto. Okay, putting back the two screws together. Only tap just to make it tight. All right. Okay, 17 millimeter bolt. Bottom, just double check to now we will put the ceramic brakes. Okay, then the other side. All right. put the brake caliper. Push the brake. I have the tools. The piston, we need to push the piston. Okay. Turn. Now we're gonna put now the brake caliper. Okay, the 2 bolts, 14. The bottom. Not too tight, just only snug it. Alright. And that's it. How you do it. How to put the rotor in 2013 Kia Sportage EX 2.4. So if you have a problem in your car and when you brake and it shakes, the problem is the rotor. You need to replace the rotor both sides front. Okay, now I'm gonna put now the tire. All right. Put the bolt, the lug nut, and tighten it.